How can you make your iPad as private as possible? Let me show you a couple of different methods to make your iPad more private. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tips and videos like this one. So you go to your iPad's settings and you can literally go to the privacy and security section. And this is where it gets interesting because most people perhaps don't want their iPad to track their location at all times. So you can turn off the location services altogether, but I would personally not do that. I would instead just go through the apps below and check the settings for individual apps. So for example, I would want my maps to access my location, but some like random social media apps perhaps don't need to constantly have access to mine. Right, so you can tap on it like this and switch, for example, from the always to only while using the app, or to turn it off completely. So that would be one way to make the iPad more private. Outside of that, there is also the tracking, which is for apps to know what you're like doing, sort of. You can also disable it in here, or you also have some different section below. Like, for example, the camera and microphone access are kind of useful as well, because maybe you don't want some of these random applications to have access to your camera, right? The same thing goes for a microphone. And that's something which you can also just turn off and see that, which apps can access your microphone. So another privacy measure to take a look at. And speaking of this, just go through the settings, whatever catches your eye for you specifically, you can change it in here. But these were the most common things which I believe that a lot of people should know about and change. Then when it comes to like making the iPad private, you could also mean like locking individual apps and different things like that. And that's possible as well by holding down on the icons like that, clicking on options and click on require Face ID for individual apps. And not only you have your iPad protected, but also individual apps as well. So that is like a one more step if you have some really like sensitive applications or something else going on. Now, let me know in the comments below if you actually managed to do what you needed. In case of any like additional questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.